This mathcast is intended for grade 1. The learning objective is write and interpret two-digit numbers to 100 as addition sentences that combine tens and ones. Created by Pamela Gleisner. Some vocabulary that we'll be working with during this mathcast: digit, any number from 0 to 9, ones, individual units, tens, groups of 10 units, and place value, the value that a digit holds within a number. If you see here, the 7 holds the ones place, meaning that there are only 7 individuals. The 5 holds the tens place, which means there are 50 or 5 tens. Here is a place value chart. As you can see, there's a 5 in the ones place and a 4 in the tens place. Down here, it's broken down a little bit easier. There are 4 tens, which equals 40, 5 ones, which equals 5. So you have 40 plus 5 equals 45. Up here, we have 10 frames. We have 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, equaling our 4 tens, or our 40. Here, we have only 5 dots in our 10 frame, making it 5 ones, which equals our 5 ones, which brings us down here to 5 ones equals 5. Our whole number equaling 45. In this sample question, we have stacks of cubes. Each stack is equal to 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. That answer will then go here, and it will go here. As you can see in this area, we have ones. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. That answer will go here and here. Now you will take these and you will add them together. 8 tens plus 9 ones equals 89. In this sample question, we'll be working with some different numbers. Here we have the stacks of 10 cubes again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 7 will go in the tens and here on the line in the tens as well. Here we have the ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We'll go here and here. Seven tens plus 4 ones equals 74. This is a picture of a number bond. A number bond shows parts and a whole. Here we have our parts as 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So a part plus a part equals a whole. Here we're going to be working with pictures and with number bonds. As you can see, we have 5 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of 10 equals 50. So that will be our first part. Our second part will be our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll add that into our number bond here. Our 2 parts now need to be added to our whole. our whole will be 57. Then we'll come down here and we'll fill in our math. It already gave us our whole number, so we'll have to fill in our 2 parts. Down here is a little bit of a word problem. It says 7 more than 50 is. So if we have 50 and we add 7 more, we end up at our whole of 57. Here we have another sample problem. Looks like we are bundling with tens again, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So we're going to add that in as one of our parts. 6 tens is 60. Looks like here we have some ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So we'll add our 8 down here for our other part. Now we have both of our parts, so we're going to need to add these 2 numbers to make our whole. 60 plus 8 is 68. Down here we have a problem. We need to fill it all in this time. So we need to take our first part, add our second part, and end with our whole. 60 plus 8 equals 68. Then we'll come down here and it's labeled for us. Blank tens plus blank ones equals blank. We'll fill that in with 6 tens plus 8 ones equals 68. This is our last sample question, and we're bundling in tens again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. 7 tens equals 70. Here we have our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. We'll put that part here. Now we have our 2 parts. 1 part plus 1 part equals our whole. 70 plus 5 equals 75. Down here, it's already given us our whole, so we need to add in our 2 parts, 70 and 5. Here we have a word problem. 5 more than 70 is, so 70 plus 5 equals 75. Thank you for watching this Mathcast.